our lesson now is talking about comparing between decimals. Put the sign greater than, smaller than, or equal. 0.25 greater than, smaller than, or equal from 0.23. We must put the same digits on the two numbers. We have here in the decimal we have here two digits, and in the second number we have here two digits. So 25 is greater than, smaller than, or equal from 23. Right, 25 is greater than 23. Next example, 0.68 or 0.6. We must put the same number of digits in the two numbers. So I will put 0 on the right hand side of 6, so it will be 0.60. Now I'm going to compare 0.68 and 0.60. Sure, 0.68 is greater than 0.60, so I will put the sign greater than. Then 2 plus 5 equals 7, it will be 7/10. Where is the sign? Here we have 68 is greater than 60. Next one, 0.3 or 0.31. We should make sure that we have the same number of digits. Here we have one digit on 0.3 and here we have 0.31, so we have here two digits. I will put 0 on the right hand side of 3, so we have here 0.30 or 0.31. Yes, 31 is greater than 30, so I am going to put the sign less than. So 0.30 is less than 0.31. Here 6.5 greater than, smaller than, or equal from 0.65. We have to make sure that we have the same number of digits. On the decimal number we have one digit in this left hand side, so I will put 0 on the right hand side of 5, so it will be 6.50. In the second number we have here two digits on decimal number, so it will be 0.65, 6.50 or 0.65. Very good. 6.50 is greater than 0.65 because we have here in the number 6 we have here 0, so 6 is greater than 0. Second one, 35.64 and 3.75. On the decimal number we have here 64 and 75, so we have here the same digits, but in the number we have here 35 and we have here 3, so I will put 0 on here left hand side. It will be 0.03.75 or 35.64. Yes, 35 is greater than 3, so I will put greater than. Plus 2, it will be 32/10 minus 5/10. 32 minus 5, it will be 27/10. It will be greater than. Yes. Next example. 0.265 or 2.65. On the decimal number we have here on the right hand side we have here two digits, and on the left hand side we have three digits, so I have to put 0 on the right hand side of 65. It will be 2.650 or 0.265. Yes, 0 is less than 2, so I am going to put the sign less than, so 0.265 is less than 2.650. Less than. Next example, 0.28 or quarter. We must convert this fraction to decimal point. How? We multiply 4 by 25 to be 100, and multiply by the numerator by 25 to be 25. So we have here 0.25 equal quarter. So quarter equals 0.25. 0.28 greater than, smaller than, or equal from 0.25. It must be 28 is greater than 25. 26.3 greater than, smaller than, or equal from 2.63. Yes, we must make sure that we have the same number of digits on decimal and the number. Here we have 3, but on the right hand side we have 63, so I will put 0 on the right hand side of 3. We have here 26.30 and we have here 2.63. We must put 0 on the left hand side of 2 to be the same number of digits. So 26 is greater than 2. I'm going to put greater than. Yes, greater than.